Hi there, for today's dish I'm making ground beef with potatoes and peas served over rice. So I already cooked my beef with onions, allspice, turmeric powder, salt and pepper. I'm going to add my potatoes and peas and add some water and then add last tomato sauce. So my potatoes. Cheese. I already mixed it together. I'm going to add about 2 cups of water. So just to make it cook along. I'm going to add my tomato sauce when it's cooked. I'm going to test it with a fork and see. And now since it's boiled, everything is cooked, I'm just going to add a can of tomato paste and stir, let it cook for 10 minutes and your dish is done. And this dish, the more it sits, the more it has flavor to it. So I hope you like it and you like dishes I make you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.